Yes, the food plane has landed in Italy. And on this episode, I will show you how to make one of Italy's most iconic pasta dishes. Next, on the food. Cacio e Pepe originates from the Lazio region of Italy, specifically Rome. The dish dates back to ancient times and was popular among shepherds in the Apennine Mountains. They carried dried pasta, aged pecorino cheese, and black pepper, as these ingredients were easy to transport and had long shelf life. The simplicity of the dish reflects its humble roots. Cacio e Pepe is one of Italy's iconic pasta dishes, and here's what you'll need to make it. Tonarelli, a thick square-shaped pasta similar to spaghetti, which has a bit more of a bite, is what's usually used. However, we're going to use spaghetti. Xanthan gum is a polysaccharide, a type of carbohydrate used as a thickening, stabilizing, and emulsifying agent in food. First thing is you're going to want to toast your black pepper, and you're going to want to put your pasta in salted water. Make sure the water tastes like seawater. It should have enough salt to taste like seawater, and constantly stir, because cacio e pepe seems simple, just pasta, cheese, and pepper. However, there are several technical pitfalls that can ruin the dish, such as clumpy or stringy cheese, sauce breaking, not enough pepper flavor, the sauce is too watery or too thick. In the blender, I am adding my pecorino cheese. I'm adding my black pepper, and I'm struggling to add my xanthan gum. So it's all right, I got it in there. So now we're gonna take the pasta water and incorporate that into the cheese, and we're gonna give that a blend. We don't want it too watery. We don't want it too thick. This right here is the secret to a great cacio e pepe, which means cheese and pepper. But look at this sauce. Check this out. Look at that. Not broken. There's no chemical taste to it. You're not going to taste the xanthan gum. This is the perfect sauce. Dance break. Now take a look at this sauce. Look how easy it is to make, but if you know about putting some xanthan gum, some people use cornstarch, but look at the magic. Look at the sauce. People, this is amazing. And remember, this is one of Italy's most iconic pasta dishes. The pepper flavor that you're gonna get. Look at the sauce, look at the consistency. How many times have some of us made cacio e pepe and it was the stringy cheese, or it got clumpy, or the sauce broke? Well, not happening now. You got the secret. Check it out. Hey, press that subscribe button. Where is the food plane gonna land next week? See you then.